You've seen it 1,000 times. A champion at the absolute peak of their power, a symbol of human potential, crediting their success to hard work, dedication, and a multi-million-dollar supplement brand. It's the story we're sold every single day. The idea that peak performance is just one scoop away, that the secret to unlocking your own potential is hiding inside a bottle. The global supplement market is a behemoth worth billions, and athletes are its most powerful billboards. But what if I told you what's really driving their performance isn't in that sponsored tub at all? And the reason they stay quiet is the secret that involves illegal performance enhancing drugs, a web of lies, and a supplement industry that cashes in on your misplaced trust. Today, we're digging into what athletes don't tell you about their supplements and why the truth is far more dangerous. But what if we all know supplements are part of the modern athlete toolkit, from protein powders and pre workouts to a whole alphabet of vitamins. They're seen as essential for getting that tiny edge over the competition. Athletes openly partner with these brands, their faces plastered everywhere. It all seems perfectly transparent. But behind this wall of marketing, there's a much darker reality. The first and most important secret is, according to a mountain of scientific research, most of these supplements do very little, if anything at all. Studies show that while a few ingredients like caffeine and creatine can offer small specific benefits, the vast majority of popular supplements are ineffective. Many have mixed, unclear, or no evidence to support their claims of muscle growth or strength. So if they don't really work, why are they pushed so hard? Because they're the perfect cover story. They create the illusion of a level playing field, suggesting that the champion's power is available to everyone for just $49.99 a month. But the real edge they have is the one they could never admit to. So if most supplements are little more than expensive powder, what's the real secret to such superhuman performance? And why is nobody talking about it? It boils down to a few core reasons that create a powerful code of silence. In the world of elite sports, athletes operate under the strict watch of anti doping agencies. The real secret is that many athletes are using powerful and often illegal performance enhancing drugs. We're talking about sophisticated cocktails of anabolic steroids, human growth hormone, experimental peptides, and other research chemicals designed to dramatically increase muscle mass, fat loss, strength, and recovery. Getting caught using these substances means a multi year ban, being stripped of your titles, and the total collapse of your career. The silence isn't about accidental contamination from a legal product. It's a calculated decision to hide the deliberate use of banned substances that provide the real competitive advantage. Here's the single most important fact you need to understand. In the United States, dietary supplements do not need to be proven effective by the Food and Drug Administration before they're sold. A company can create a new powder, put it in a flashy tub with claims of explosive gains, and sell it without any pre market approval of its effectiveness. This creates a system that's fundamentally based on marketing, not science. It allows a company to sell you an ineffective product by simply paying a famous athlete to hold the tub and smile. These supplements themselves don't have to work, they just have to sell. They are the legitimate face of an illegitimate enterprise, a harmless product used to explain results that were actually achieved through pharmacology. Finally, it comes down to image and money. An athlete's brand is built on natural talent and hard work. Publicly, they sell a story of grit and dedication. Privately, their performance might be fueled by a regimen of PEDs. Admitting to drug use would not only be a career ending scandal, but would also vaporize their sponsorships. Sponsors are selling a dream in a bottle, not illegal hormones. The entire financial ecosystem, from the supplement company to the athlete's bank account, depends on maintaining the illusion. The simple story of hard work plus our protein powder is worth millions. This is the reality that's deliberately hidden behind billion-dollar marketing campaigns. It's a complex web of risk, deception, and financial pressure. If you're getting value out of this investigation and want more content that pulls back the curtain on the fitness industry, then take a second and hit the subscribe button. It really helps the channel and lets us know you want more stories that matter. So, what's the one big secret that athletes will never tell you? Is it some magic undetectable drug? A secret formula cooked up in a high tech lab? No, the secret is much simpler and, in a way, far more terrifying. The big secret is that the supplements are the smokescreen. Many athletes are not getting their incredible results from the products they advertise. They are on sophisticated and often undisclosed cycles of performance enhancing drugs, experimental peptides, and research chemicals that are years ahead of what is available to the public or even detectable by some tests. The ultimate secret isn't a substance you can buy in a store, it's the system of deception. It's the unspoken agreement between athletes, coaches, and sponsors to promote a lie. They publicly credit the ineffective legal supplements to misdirect from the effective illegal drugs. The silence isn't just a survival strategy, it's a marketing strategy. At this point, you might be thinking, okay, that's a huge problem for pro sports, but I just go to the gym. What does that have to do with me? It has everything to do with you. If the very people being paid to promote these supplements aren't getting their godlike results from them, why would you? You're being sold a lie. You're spending your money on largely ineffective powders and pills, chasing a physique or a performance level that was actually achieved through powerful pharmaceuticals you are not being told about. This system sets you up for failure. It creates unrealistic expectations, leads you to disappointment, and drains your bank account. You can drink all the protein shakes you want, but you won't replicate the results of someone on a cycle of anabolic steroids. You're buying into a fantasy while the industry profits from your frustration. The silence from athletes about their supplements doesn't come from a place of protecting a secret training method. It's silence born of necessity, a necessity to hide the use of illegal career ending PEDs, a necessity to uphold multi-million dollar sponsorship deals that are built on a foundation of lies, and a necessity to participate in a system where the over the counter supplement is the acceptable face of a far more potent and dangerous reality. They're trapped in a game where the real tools of victory are banned, so they use them in secret and publicly credit the one thing they're allowed to sell. They perpetuate a system that protects their careers, but leaves the average person totally in the dark, buying products that don't work. The next time you see your favorite athlete endorsing a supplement, remember the story they aren't telling you. The real story isn't about a scoop of powder, it's about a needle, a pill, or a vial, and a marketing machine that gets rich by selling you the cover up. So I'll leave you with this question. After all this, how are you going to look at the supplement aisle differently? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. For physique coaching, peptide coaching, consultations, and discount codes, please visit www.showhorsefitness.com. Spots are filling fast. Act now. From fat loss and muscle growth to hormone optimization, peptides, and personalized health plans, I've got you covered. Let's work together. Contact me at fox@showhorsefitness.com.